you can call touristy area in Aceh, especially around the world. What solutions can we give to that? I think it's also the job for the government and also the people who are involved in the tourist area. For example, the beach, the community, the people who stay around that area, who stay around the area, who manage the business, who manage the tourist spots should take care of that area and should also give emphasis for tourists who come there. Should be how to say, anyone who come there who disobey the regulation should be fined by cleaning something in that area, not by giving money. Because fine by giving money is not giving much. How to say? Not giving much realization for the people who did the disobedience, or anyone who disobey or break the laws, or lawbreaker should be fined by, like I said before, if the area is already clean, they should be taken somewhere else to clean another area. I think government's intervention is required here, and also government should also give undang-undang about that, and also government should put signs in that area: do not litter, larang buang sampah. If anyone breaks the law, they should be punished by doing this and that. And also, I think it's a really hard problem nowadays in Indonesia for taking care of cleanliness in anywhere, not only in tourist areas but also anywhere, including in their own neighborhood. It's really hard to manage people, to control people, to not break the law, to take care of their neighborhood, take care of tourist area in around their neighborhood, like in the beach, Lampu Beach, and anywhere. Not only in Indonesia but also in other countries. I think for tourists who come from other countries who break the laws, they should be punished by more severe, more higher fines or punishment, because they are from other countries. They break our law, and I think the main thing is to education from the house, from parents, and also from teachers, and also the government should give speeches about that, should put more signs and provide more garbage trash cans, put more signs and punishment, warnings if anyone breaks the law. I think that's all for me.
Right, any question? Right, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, I got a question for you. If one day you are in the land like the field, you still to be tour guide, you guide tourists from abroad. So if your guest asking you why Indonesian people throw the garbage everywhere, is that Muslim or not? What do you think about that? Give the response.
Okay, I think it happens quite common. Tourists from other countries like Japan, from Europe, asking when they are in Aceh, they ask why there are so many trash, rubbish in the streets, right? In tourist areas. Are they Muslim? Yes, they are Muslim. But if you look at the attitude of Muslims, we cannot find the exact representation of the religion. Religion teaches us to take care of our neighborhood, our environment, to make our environment clean. And I think it also happens with other religions in the world, because cleanliness is very basic of our part of life. We take care of our life, but you cannot judge someone by their religion to make that kind of misbehavior.
Right, question.
It is ever happening before, when somebody like the tourist guide and the tourists are still, throwing the
Questions.
garbage.
Tourists.
Yeah, tourists.
Tourists is asking why are there many garbage in your area. If I were a tourist guide, tourists ask me why are there so many garbage, and are they Muslim?
Did tourists do that?
Tourists,
they just throw in the trash.
I don't think so. Anyone who asks that question, I think they take care of their neighborhood. They clean their environment.
Most of the suspect is the citizen.
I want to ask about that statement from you, sir. My experience, I never get my gas throw the garbage everywhere.
No.
Not only Asian people, but also from people in other state or Europe. No, never. But local people season always throw garbage everywhere. Not only in the street, but also in the river. In the river, no one. This is such an different.
Do they think that is because there is a cleaning service or something?
I have no idea about that, but even though every single month they have to pay just only 12,000. A couple of years ago, just only 10,000 every single month. They collect the money every single house, every single neighbor. After I asking about that neighbor, so why do you throw garbage everywhere? I have to pay that. So who cares? There are people saying no about that. That is really people. Alright, any question?
That's all.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa.